The Palomar knot is an incredibly strong knot for securing a fishing line to a hook. It's simple to tie and uses a relatively small amount of line. To tie it, start by passing a bight through the eye of your hook. Try to ensure your line isn't crossing over itself through the eye. Then make an overhand knot behind the eye using this bight. Don't fully tighten the overhand knot yet. We're going to take the loop of the bight and pass it over the top of the hook and back down beyond the eye. We now want to gently massage the overhand knot to bring the loop downward so that it stays beneath the eye and grips onto the line as we gradually tighten the overhand knot. Stroke the overhand knot, then pull some of the standing end through. Before the knot is completely secure, moisten it with saliva or water to avoid compromising the line with friction. Then pull the knot tight. Pull on the standing end and the tag end alternately to fully tighten the knot. A common mistake is to fully tighten the overhand knot too early, which can lead to a knot structure where the loop sits over top of the eye. We want the loop to end up hugging the line itself below the eye. This is a knot that will work well with monofilament, fluorocarbon, and braided line. Here it is tied with braided line. When using smaller line, you might find it easier to create the initial bight by feeding the end of the line through the eye, then feeding it back through the eye in the opposite direction. When you're first learning this knot, it helps to use plenty of extra tag end to make it easier to tie. Form the overhand knot and bring the bight over the hook. As before, carefully massage the overhand knot downwards to shorten the loop and bring it down below the eye. Moisten it and tighten it up. This is a favorite among fishermen because of its simplicity and extremely high breaking strength. Subscribe for more knot tutorials and other outdoor content. Until next time.